Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Valheim Crossplay Xbox PC only way. First, ensure both players link their Xbox account to the same Steam account or to the server host, then configure a dedicated server with the correct world and whitelist, forward the required ports on the host router, and share the server IP and password to join from both platforms. Use the in-game invite when available and verify NAT types match for smooth connection. Set up your host PC as the dedicated server and keep it running while friends join. Install Valheim dedicated server or run the server executable with the correct world, name, and password parameters. Configure your router to forward TCP and UDP ports 2456 through 2458 to the host IP and set a static local IP so forwarding remains reliable. Share the public IP port and password with players on Xbox, open Valheim and choose Join, then select Join by IP if the option appears, or use the Xbox invite tied to the host account. Enter the public IP followed by the port, and then the server password exactly as shared by the host. If prompted, sign into the same Microsoft account, link to the host, or accept crossplay prompts. Allow any firewall or NAT pop-ups so the connection can establish cleanly and avoid timeouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.